Hi everyone, how are you doing? This is Peter from PeterTech. Today I would like to share with you some experience I have with Snowball from AWS. Okay, for this one, I would like to share with you because I'm not sure sometimes you may want to order a Snowball for some emergency. Or if you want to order a Snowball, make sure that you plan ahead of time, and especially if it is for some emergency, you might want to have a backup plan. Okay, this is what happened, right? So this is a job that I created on the February 20th. And this one is actually a job from the island region, which should be the best region in Europe. Okay, so the job was created on the 20th until now, which is March 1st, nothing happened. Okay, so pretty much the status is job created. It hasn't prepared it. Okay, so it happens in ship. You may wonder, okay, why don't I create a ticket, support ticket? Of course, because there's no luck for me. So this job is actually, I may cancel it because I don't need it anymore. But I may just keep it hanging there to see what's gonna happen to it, right? Whether gonna take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, if possible. I don't know what's going on, and maybe end up sometime I may just create a ticket and to find out what's going on with it. Okay, so this is the experience I want to share with you, so that if you plan to use Snowball for some emergency, make sure that you may want to plan a lot of time. And if you notice from the previous job that I created, that one was urgent. So after a day or two, actually after a weekend and a full day on Monday, I didn't see anything happen to it. So I went ahead and created a support ticket to Amazon, and this is what I received from Amazon. So you should note that Amazon said when you create a job, you specify shipping address and shipping speed. Of course, you can pick either, you want like a I think it's called 2 days or overnight. I don't think they have overnight, but I think they have 2 days or express. And it doesn't indicate how soon you can expect to receive Snowball from the day you create the job, of course. So even though Amazon is so high tech, in many ways, they can't give us the expectation or estimate of the time that they can work on and ship the Snowball. I think that's some kind that Amazon could improve, obviously. Yeah, and even though they said that it might take a few business days, in my case it has been a full week. So that is indeed 6 business days. Okay, it's more than a full week. So it has been 6 business days. So this is obviously not something that fall within anyone's expectation. Okay, so that's my experience. I wanted to share with you my experience so that you can be aware, and this could be a risk in your project if you have any project to use Snowball. Just FYI. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.